Domanda 1. Complete, purpose I went to the shop ___ buy some bread. A. For. B. To. C. Because. D. So. The correct answer is B. To plus base verb expresses purpose, in order to. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 2. Complete, purpose this knife is ___ cutting bread. A. To. B. For. C. Because of. D. So that. The correct answer is B. For plus verb ing expresses the purpose of an object. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 3. Complete, cause she stayed at home ___ she was ill. A. Because. B. Because of. C. So. D. To. The correct answer is A. Because plus subject plus verb introduces a reason, a clause. La resposta correcta es la A. Domanda 4. Complete, cause the match was cancelled ___ the bad weather. A. Because. B. Because of. C. So. D. To. The correct answer is B. Because of plus noun introduces a reason, not a full clause. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 5. Complete, result it was raining, ___ we stayed inside. A. Because. B. Because of. C. So. D. For. The correct answer is C. So introduces the result of a situation. La resposta correcta es la C. Domanda 6. Complete, purpose he studies hard ___ pass the exam. A. For. B. To. C. Because. D. So. The correct answer is B. To plus base verb expresses purpose. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. I turned on the light for see better. B. I turned on the light to see better. C. I turned on the light because see better. D. I turned on the light so see better. The correct answer is B. To plus base verb expresses purpose, in order to see. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 8. Complete, cause we couldn't go out ___ the storm. A. Because. B. Because of. C. So. D. To. The correct answer is B. Because of is followed by a noun, the storm. La resposta correcta es la B. Domanda 9. Complete, manner, she solved the problem ___ using a simple method. A. By. B. For. C. Because. D. So. The correct answer is A. By plus verb ing describes the manner or method used to do something. La resposta correcta es la A. Domanda 10. Choose the correct sentence. A. He was tired so he went home early. B. He was tired because of he went home early. C. He was tired to he went home early. D. He was tired for he went home early. The correct answer is A. So introduces the result, going home early, of being tired. La resposta correcta es la A.